Hey everybody, Jaksha this side. In this video, I will be showing Windows 11 installation on Mac M1 using ATM. Let's get started. Let me open my UTM. Let's add a new virtual machine. We will be using virtualization because we are using ARM 64-bit Windows 11. Here, let's browse our VSDX file. I will be providing the link in the description for this file. You can download this file directly from the Windows official site. Also, click on the import VLTeX file option in the given file. Now click on continue. Select the RAM as you want. I will go with 2 GB. I will add the shared directory later. I will just rename it to Windows 11 and just save it. It will take a while to load, so let's just wait. And it will also automatically install Spice Case 2. We won't be needing to download it manually. It will automatically install. The Windows Spice Case tool has started to install, so let's just wait. It won't take long. The Guest tool has loaded successfully. Now let's boot the system. It will take some while to load the system, so just wait. Now choose your region, and in the next tab we will be having option to choose our language. Just don't click on the yes, because we need to do some modification in our system. By default there is no internet connection in our Windows, but to configure it we need internet connection, and for that we need to do some modification in the system. So if you click on yes, you will get stuck and you need to reboot the system again. So here just click on shift plus F10, so that you will get a command prompt in which we need to do some modification. Just click yes. Now we have a command prompt. Here type 00 capital 00 BE backward slash BYPASS NRO and hit enter. Now you can see the system is rebooting now. Now again select your region, select your language of the keyboard and just go with the default. Here you can see I don't have internet option. Previously if we hadn't done that cmd command prompt, then we wouldn't be getting that option and we won't be able to install our Windows. Now just configure everything, the username, password, confirm password and security questions. Now the installation is easy. Now we have Windows 11 installed successfully. We will be getting this error message every time we reboot our system, but still you can see that our Windows doesn't look good. So in order to make it look good and automatically configure according to the resolution, we need to install the Spice Base tool. So let's just install the Spice tool and reboot our system, and then we will get a better window. The system is rebooted successfully, and now we can see the Windows 11 resolution is according to our Mac. So our system is rebooted successfully, and we can check even the internet is working properly. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and comment. Please subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos.